He's not very
He's gonna jump on it. He's gonna jump on it. Look at him.
Oh, there's two. Oh.
What is he doing?
He wants to like sink it.
I want him to fall so badly. What is he doing?
Playing with the
Oh,
water.
he's still playing that.
Bears are the most interesting
No,
animals.
Oh.
He wants to like sink it.
They're always doing funny stuff.
Look, he's
in
playing with
water.
his ball. Can you play with your ball like that?
Yeah.
I'm sleeping like that.
Oh, he's going over. Look at the balance. Like seriously. He's standing on the log with all of his weight on his back feet, more or less.
Whoa.
Oh, come on.
How
I think I missed it because I was laughing.
It's there.
He's going down.
How did he get there? Oh, he went down.